The race against time to develop the COVID-19 vaccine is unprecedented in the history of modern medicine. This is because the magnitude of damage due to the coronavirus pandemic is significant. There is no virus that has led to the shutdown of the entire globe in modern history. Hence, every effort, resource and talent is being deployed to find an effective vaccine against the SARS-CoV-2 virus. In this video, we wanted to go over the steps that are needed to develop a vaccine. Even though most countries have their own laws and regulations that govern drug development, many share similar protocols for approving a vaccine. Here in the United States, a vaccine can be developed by private companies or a government agency. Still, the process involves approval from the FDA. Stage 1 involves research on animals where a vaccine is tested in animal models for efficacy, meaning test whether a vaccine works against a virus. Then the company applies for clinical trial, meaning studies are done on humans. Phase 1 clinical trials, the vaccine is tested for safety and effectiveness in a small number of people, usually around 10, and they are closely monitored. Phase 2 clinical trials, various dosages of the vaccine are tested on hundreds of human subjects. Phase 3 clinical trials, thousands of subjects are enrolled to measure the overall effectiveness of the vaccine. If a vaccine passes all three phases, the lab must then apply to the FDA for a license to produce and distribute the vaccine. That application is reviewed by both FDA and non-FDA scientists. Some of the new coronavirus vaccines have already gone through Phase 3. If approved, the lab begins producing the vaccine while the FDA closely monitors production. Phase 4, although at this point the vaccine may be released to the market, many vaccines continue with what's called Phase 4 studies, during which the FDA continues to review the safety and efficacy of the vaccine. If a vaccine clears Phase 4, it will be approved for use on a massive scale while safety issues continue to be monitored. Normally, it takes a decade to go through the process of developing a vaccine. However, companies are receiving special treatment from the FDA for expedited approval if their vaccines show promise. It is possible a vaccine can also face unintended problems after moving through all the steps. The COVID-19 vaccine is going through many of these stages at a faster rate than historically known. That is why there is so much hope for a COVID-19 vaccine by early 2021. Currently, Moderna and Oxford University have made great strides in developing vaccines against COVID-19. But it should be clear that nothing is guaranteed. To keep yourself safe, continue to wash hands, avoid crowds, wear protective gears like gloves. Thank you for watching ScieHeal, where we strive to democratize science and health. Subscribe. Leave us a comment. Stay safe.